Hi everyone, today's fish soup is so delicious and yet so simple to make. I'll be adding Tung Choi. It's also known as Tianjin preserved vegetables. It's essentially cabbage preserved with garlic and salt. It adds a lot of umami and savouriness to the soup. I'm also going to add tomatoes. The soup is going to be savoury and tangy with subtle sweetness from the fish. First, let's prep the tomatoes. Remove the top part of the tomato, cut in half. Then cut into thin slices and set aside. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of this Tung Choi. Rinse thoroughly with water. Drain off any excess water. I'm using curao fish in this video. You can also use any white fish with tender meat. If you're cooking for children, I'd recommend using fish slices without any bones. Once all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Add water into a pot. Tomatoes. Now I'm using a ceramic pot. You can also use any stainless steel pot or any pot of your choice. Bring the water to a boil. Okay, once the water is boiling, add the Tung Choi and add the fish. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Okay, it's done. Wow, it smells so good. Add some shallot oil, some crispy shallots. You can buy this from the supermarket or you can get the recipe from the link on my website. Then garnish with some coriander. It's light, savoury, tangy. It's just perfect with a bowl of rice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow for more easy recipes. See you next time.